Welcome to the Martin DMX PowerPort 375 Technical Overview video. Many of the Martin Creative LED fixtures, such as the Video Fatron and the exterior PIX line, require an external power supply, as their compact design does not allow them to have a power supply inside. For P3-driven video-mapped applications, Martin offers a range of P3 power ports, which supply both power and P3 video data to the fixtures. But for smaller applications, or applications where fixtures are only controlled with DMX, and not with video through the P3 system controller, Martin offers the compact DMX PowerPort 375. The DMX PowerPort 375 unit was designed as a smaller, more affordable solution for the entire Martin Creative LED product range, when only DMX control is needed. For indoor P3 control, we have the P3 PowerPort 1500. For outdoor, there's the P3 PowerPort 1000 IP. And for DMX-only outdoor control, there's the IP66 PSU 240W. For indoor DMX only, the DMX PowerPort 375 completes the PowerPort family by Martin. The DMX PowerPort 375 is fully compatible with the following Martin Creative LED fixture families: the Video Fatron, the Video Skeptron, the Video Dotron, the VC Grid, the VC Strip, the VC Dot, the exterior PIX line, and finally the exterior Dot HP family. For mounting, Martin has several options, which are the vertical hanging truss mount, the horizontal hanging truss mount, the single unit rack mount, 2-unit side-by-side rack mount, and a wall mount. The rack ears, a safety cable bracket, and a coupling plate are included. Looking at the front panel, we find the data status LED. It will light up when there is DMX or RDM traffic on the network, which will indicate if a DMX cable is connected. It will blink at a high rate when activating RDM Identify. This is helpful when trying to determine which unit is which from the lighting console. The LED will also blink fast when the unit is sending a test pattern to connected fixtures. The power LED lights up, indicating the unit is receiving power and is powered on. When pressed once, the test button will show a full white test pattern on all connected fixtures, even without a connected DMX console. Pressing the button again will return the fixtures to normal operation. The test pattern on the fixtures can also be triggered or stopped from the lighting console using the RDM Identify command. Moving to the back of the unit, we find several connection ports. Moving from left to right, the first port is the DMX RDM input, and right next to it is the DMX RDM through port. This allows you to daisy chain DMX RDM from one power port to the next. There's a built-in splitter to send DMX RDM to both the through port and the power and data port. The split is zero latency, so there is no delay when sending DMX commands. Next to these two ports is the just mentioned power and data port, which is then connected to a string of compatible creative LED fixtures for the Video Skeptron, Fatron, Dotron, exterior PIX line, exterior Dot HP, and the VC Dot products. A 4-pole XLR to BBD adapter cable is needed. For the VC Grid and the VC Strip products, a 4-pole XLR to PCB adapter cable is needed. Be aware the VC Grid, the VC Strip, and the VC Dot products are not hot plug compatible, so power off the DMX PowerPort 375 before connecting or disconnecting any of these products. The PowerPort 375 has the same capacity as one output of the P3 PowerPort 1500. For example, a single output on the P3 PowerPort 1500 can handle a 10-meter Skeptron 10. A single PowerPort 375 can power the same 10-meter of Skeptron 10. So 4 PowerPort 375 units would power the same number of fixtures as one P3 PowerPort 1500. Next, we find the double fuses, which allow for 208-volt split-phase operation in 100 to 120-volt areas. Lastly, we find the mains power inputs and outputs for 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. When firmware updates are available, the DMX PowerPort 375 can be updated using the Martin Companion Firmware Update software, in combination with the Martin Companion Cable USB to DMX interface. When comparing the DMX PowerPort 375 to the P3 PowerPort 1500, it really is the smaller brother. Not only is it 1/4 the physical size, it also powers 1/4 of the number of fixtures. But because it is DMX only and does not include P3 or ArtNet, it is much more cost-effective when a DMX system is all that is required. Also, the size allows for various installation solutions other than rack mounting, such as 2 truss mount options, as well as a wall mount option. To learn more about the DMX PowerPort 375, please visit martin.com, and thanks for watching.